Mom, look! I can ride really fast now.
That's great, Ryan, but please slow down near the road.
Look at that little dog. It's so cute. Ow. Mom, my arm really hurts.
Ryan, don't move too quickly. Let me see your arm.
I fell off my bike, and now my arm hurts a lot.
We should get you checked by a doctor. Can you stand?
I can stand, but my arm still hurts.
I'll call Dad and tell him what happened.
What happened? Is Ryan okay?
He fell off his bike. His arm hurts, so we're going to the hospital.
Okay, I'll meet you at the hospital. Drive carefully.
Let's leave the bike here for now. We need to take care of you first.
Mom, do you think the doctor can fix my arm?
The doctor will check your arm and tell us what to do.
I've never had to go to the hospital because of my bike before.
Don't worry. Hospitals help people when they are hurt or sick. We're here. I'll help you get inside.
Do I need to sit in that wheelchair?
You don't have to walk if your arm hurts. It's safer this way.
Wow, there are so many people here.
Hello. My son fell off his bike, and his arm is hurting. I'm sorry to hear that. Please give me his name and date of birth. His name is Ryan, and this is his first visit today. Thank you. Please wait over there. A nurse will call Ryan soon.
Mom, why are all these people waiting here? We're here because they need help.
Some people are waiting for doctors, and others are waiting for tests. Ryan? Ryan? I'm Nurse Emma. Can you come with me, please?
Mom, are you coming with me?
Of course. I'll stay with you. Can you tell me where it hurts the most?
It hurts here, especially when I move it.
The doctor wants an X-ray. It will help us see your arm clearly.
Will the X-ray hurt?
No, it won't hurt. You just need to stay very still.
Okay, I stayed still. Was that all?
Good job, Ryan. Your arm isn't broken, but it's badly bruised.
Really? So, I don't need an operation?
No operation. Rest your arm, use this bandage, and don't ride your bike for a few days.
Ryan, I'm glad you're okay. You gave us a big scare.
I learned my lesson. Next time, I'll slow down and watch the road.